Ciao, welcome to my channel Learn Italian Language. In this lecture, we will learn that how we can make a sentence. What is a basic scheme to make a sentence? Okay, the sentence is you want to come to me. Okay, here is in Italian we say vuoi venire a me. You want to come to me. In this lecture we will learn that how we make this sentence. Okay, as we know that want in Italian, in English is want, but in Italian is volere. Want in English, but in Italian is volere. Okay, now we but here is voi. Why? Okay, reason is that uh, in Italian, to use the verbs, we have to make a conjugazione di every verb. Okay, here is volere. Conjugazione di volere is zione di volere is io voglio, tu vuoi, lei ha, lui vuole. Ok, noi vogliamo, voi volete, loro vogliono, loro vogliono. Let's repeat. Io voglio, tu vuoi, lei ha, lui vuole, noi vogliamo, voi volete, loro vogliono. Okay, here we use you want, then is tu vuoi. Io voglio, I want, tu vuoi, you want. Lei ha, lui, she or he want. Noi vogliamo, voi want. Voi volete, you want in plural form. Loro vogliono, they want. Okay? Tu vuoi, you want. Okay, here we pick tu vuoi. Okay, if we use only vuoi, then we can understand that it is a you want. Okay, you want to come to me, vuoi, vuoi. Okay, to come in Italian is venire, but there are three verbs: potere, dovere, and volere. When these come, the second verb comes same. It's not converted into conjugazione. Okay, it will come same. Vuoi venire? You want vuoi to come venire. You want to come. Vuoi venire? You want to come. Okay, where? To me. To me in English is to, but in Italian we use a in term of to. Okay, vuoi venire a to me. Me in Italian is me. Okay, here we can say that vuoi venire a scuola, vuoi venire a mia casa. Okay, you want to my house, a scuola, okay, or in ristorante. Okay, we can make other sentence that vuoi venire a mia casa, vuoi venire. You want to come a scuola. Okay, a scuola. Also we can say vuoi venire in Italia. Okay, here is you want to come to my house. You want to come to school. You want to come in Italy. Okay, you want to come to me. Okay, if you have any question about this lecture, you can ask in comment box. Okay, if you want to learn Italian, please subscribe my channel Learn Italian Language. Ciao.